Facing a login hiccup or a system error in ADP can be frustrating. Let's walk through the smart steps to get back on track quickly. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to troubleshoot. First, try the basics. Refresh your browser, try an incognito window, or clear your cache and cookies. If it's a mobile app issue, force close the app and restart it. For persistent login problems, use the Forgot Password link. If the system itself seems down, check ADP's service status page. A quick web search for ADP status will find it to see if there's a known outage. My crucial pro tip: take a screenshot of any error message. If you need to contact your company's ADP administrator or ADP support, having the exact error code and message speeds up the resolution immensely. "It's not working" is less helpful than a screenshot. That's your systematic approach to solving common tech glitches. What's your go-to first step when a website or app gives you an error? Let me know in the comments. For more practical tech fixes, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.